Alright, so I'm going to do my best to try to explain these exponents with a common base and how you combine them. So my computer's being a little funky right now. I'm just trying to go ahead and get my pen to work. There we go. We need a different color, do purple. Okay, sorry about that. So if you have a common base, like these both have 2, then their exponents would be equal to each other. So x plus 1 equals 9. So x equals 8. In this one, you have 5 to the 4n plus 5 power and 5 to the n minus 7 power. Your bases are the same, so that means 4n plus 5 equals n minus 7. I'm going to solve for n. Oops, that's a 5. So I get 3n is negative 12, n equals negative 4. Alright, when you multiply 2 exponents that have the same base, you add the exponents. So for number 3 here, I'm going to erase that. We have 3 times 3 to the k power times 3 to the k plus 2 powers. So we have a k plus a k plus 2. Okay, so it's going to be 3 to that power equals 3 to the 5k minus 1. So this is equal to this. Those two are equal. So 2k plus 2, I just combined my 2k's here, equals 5k minus 1. So I'm just going to add 1 to there, subtract 2k minus 2k, and I get 3 equals 3k, so k equals 1 in that case. Let me go on to some that are a little more complicated. Now, if they don't have a common base, so let's look at number 5. We have 6 to the 2x minus 10 equals 36. Well, 36 is 6 squared, so that means 2x minus 10 equals 2. So you set them equal to each other. 2x equals 12, x equals 6. On number 7, 7 to the 4x plus 11 equals 1/7. So that means 7 to the 4x plus 11 equals 7 to the negative 1 power. So 4x plus 11 equals negative 1. 4x equals negative 12, x equals negative 3. I'm going to keep going. Let me show you this one. This is 32 is 2 to the 5th power equals 2 to the 2m minus 9. So those two must be equal. 2m minus 9 equals 5. 2m is 14, m equals 7. Okay, there's a couple more. Okay, let's look at number 14. This one's pretty messy. Alright, so this is 81, and then we have 1/3. Our common base is going to be 3. That's what we're going to be working with. So 81 is 3 to the 4th power. 1/3 is 3 to the negative 1. So now I'm just going to rewrite this. 81 is 3 to the 4th, and that's to the 2x plus 5 power. And 1/3 is 3 to the negative 1 to the 2x power. So now, when we take the power of a power, we multiply. So this becomes 8x plus 20 equals negative 2x. Okay. And when you solve for x, I can just move my x's to the other side. That becomes 20 equals negative 10x. Negative 2 equals x. And if you wanted to, you could go back and you could plug that value into your original equation and make sure that it comes out right. Okay, one more. Whew, alright, I'm going to go ahead and knock out number 18. Okay, so our base is, it's going to be 9. Okay, so 1 over 81 is 9 to the negative 2 power. So these two, we're going to add them. So it's 9 to the 2x plus 4 plus 2 equals 9 to the negative 2 power. Oops, that should be a plus of 2x. Okay, so those things are equal to each other. So 2x plus 2x is 4x, plus 4 equals negative 2, 4x equals negative 6, x equals negative 3 halves. All right, hopefully that's enough to get you going. I will post an answer key online just so you can see if you're on the right track.